Do you really think working harder will make you rich? Unfortunately, that's not how it works. The truth is, if hard work alone created wealth, then construction workers, nurses, and factory employees would all be millionaires. But they're not. So, how do millionaires actually get rich? The answer is simple. Not by working harder, but by working smarter. Let's break it down. Technology and productivity are increasing every year. We're more efficient than ever before. So, shouldn't we be working less? That would make sense, right? But in reality, the opposite is happening. In the 1950s, a factory worker could support a family with just an 8-hour shift. Fast forward to today, and people have to work twice as much just to keep up with rising costs. Why? Because wages haven't kept up with inflation. As technology makes businesses more profitable, workers don't get richer. Instead, they get stuck in the same cycle, trading time for money. Now, let's talk about the real difference between the middle class and the rich. The middle class believes that working harder will get them ahead. But the wealthy? They don't just rely on their labor. They diversify their income. Take Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. Do you think they work 24 hours a day? Of course not. Yet they make billions. Why? Because their income isn't tied to the hours they work. They own systems, investments, and assets that generate money for them, whether they work or not. Let's look at a real-life example. A McDonald's employee works 160 hours a month but struggles to make ends meet. Meanwhile, the owner of McDonald's makes millions in the same time. What's the difference? Ownership. The employee earns an hourly wage, but the owner profits from the entire business, its brand, its real estate, and its franchise system. So, if you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap, you need to change your approach. Stop working harder. Start working smarter. Here's what you should focus on instead. Invest your money wisely. Make it work for you. Detach your income from the hours you work. Create multiple streams of passive income. Working harder isn't the answer. Owning assets, investing wisely, and creating passive income is the real path to wealth. So, if you truly want financial freedom, stop wasting your time and start thinking like the rich. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. More game-changing content is coming your way.